So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I will teach you how to play the song Ako'y Sayo by IAX. So first thing to do is also we need our guitar, of course. So now let's start to learn. So ang unang yung buhaton is of course the intro. So ako mo tudloan na sa intro. Okay? The first chord of the intro is the A minor 7. So, ano siya? Then, ang imo nga patingugon nga string is the 5 string, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. Then, sunod ato is this. Imong ipitan sa imong kamot is the 5th string, 2nd fret. And ang isa is 3rd string, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Okay. So, niyon siya. Idungan ninyo og pluck tong duha. Idungan nyo patingog na tong 5 string and 2nd string. Then, sunod is mura gyapon but i-slide ninyo pa 5 to 4 fret. So, balik taon na. A minor 7. Na. Sunod ato is the D. D na chords. D nga chords. Inyo na siyang i-pluck. 4th string paubos na. Then, pasaka na sa taman sa 3rd string. Na. Then, sunod is the 1st string. Na 1st string din 1st fret. O dunganon nimo pa tingog sa 2nd string. 4th string, sorry. Then imo siyang then imo i-pluck ning or patingogon ning 1st string, 2nd string, and 3rd string. Balik. Okay. Kuha. So, balikon to na to kaduha para sa intro. Okay. Kuha. So, next is the verse 1. So, the verse 1 kay nag-consist siya og duha ka line of chords, which is this. Okay. So, the first line of the chords of the verse 1 is A minor 7, F minor, B minor 7, and E. So, balikon na nato siya og kaduha 2 times. And the second line of the chords is D major 7, D minor 7, A minor 7, then F sharp minor, So the strumming is just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? Let's try. Gets. So the next is the chorus, and the chords of the chorus is, okay, the first chords is B minor 7, C sharp minor, and the D major. Okay. And the strumming is malahi na siya karon. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Sa last nga kuan is pa C sharp minor 7 na up, down, down, up. I-slide ninyo sa last nga strum. Okay. So let's try with singing. Okay, from the intro till chorus. So let's start. balik na.